What's going on, everybody? Nate here from Mohawk Honda, and we are in the 2018 Schenectady Holiday Parade, and we are getting some cars wrapped. So I'm headed to MovinAds in Clifton Park. Let's check it out. All right, so we made it. We're here. Now it's time to go check them out. And that building right there. Let's go. So before we can get anything done on these vehicles, we gotta head to the shop. So Rob's waiting for us. Let's check it out. Check out this place. This is the main shop, huh, Rob?
This is the main shop. It's where all the printing and stuff happens.
So the magic goes down.
So now, after printing, we've programmed it to go back over and cut out what we've programmed to cut out to make the installation a little easier. So now I'm sending that job to the cutter, and the cutter is going to read these registration marks. This process we refer to as weeding, which is weeding out all of the vinyl that you don't want to use.
So we finished the vinyl, and now it's time to put it up on the vehicle. Rob said I'm already an expert, so next time I'm gonna cut the vinyl. All right, so it was a little bit of a process, but we got these banners up. All thanks to my new friend, Sean. Thanks, Sean.
No problem.
He was helping me out. He was walking by, he's like, hey, you want a little bit of help? I was like, yeah, I could use some help. And there we go, all set to go. Now it's time for the parade. cars ready. We are ready for 50 years of excellence. Let's go to the parade. The parade right now.
Decorate the trucks with lights.
We got the trucks. You've seen them all day long. You see me go through the whole process. And look it, we got everybody here. Woo! Yeah, buddy. 100 years. 100 years. What's up? When I say Mohawk, you say Honda. Mohawk. Honda. Mohawk. Honda. When I say Mohawk, you say Honda. Mohawk. Mohawk!
RG and OMG, I love that suit.
But the parade wouldn't be complete, Lydia, without our Grand Marshal, the one and only Chef Partied of Mohawk Honda, who's riding Honda Ridgeline truck. In case you haven't heard, Mohawk Honda will be celebrating its 100th anniversary in 2019. Companies don't last that long unless they're good.
And that's it. This is the end of the road, and this is the last float with Santa on it. It has been so much fun. Ready for this 100 years. I hope you are too.